Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja, and in this video we are doing a question where we need to find the area of this rectangle, right? We are given that area of this rectangle is 30 meter square and area of this rectangle is 40 meter square. We are given the length of this side from here up to here is 9 meters and from here up to here is 11 meters, right? Okay, so how will we proceed? I know that suppose I say that this side is x, right? And I take this side as y. That means I need to find the value of xy because xy will be the area. Okay. So if this side is x, what is the length of this side then? This side will be 11 minus x, right? Because these sides are x. If this is y and this is y, that means this is y, right? And this is also y. Okay. And one more thing, that this side will be equal to 9 minus x. Okay. Now I will take the use of whatever is given to me. If I look at this rectangle, this first rectangle, I can see that area will be equal to 9 minus x multiplied with y, and that is equal to 30. 9y minus xy is equal to 30, right? Okay, this is our first equation. I will make second equation now from this rectangle. I know the area of this rectangle is 11 minus x times y, and that is given 40, right? Okay, now when I multiply 11y minus xy is equal to what? 40, right? Now if I solve this, I can write xy is equal to 9y minus 30, and from this equation we can write xy is equal to 11y minus 40. Now if we look at equation number 1 and equation number 2, both have left hand side as xy and right hand side is this 9y minus 30 and 11y minus 40, right? So what will I do? I will, because left hand side is equal, so I will equate right hand side. Okay, right. Now I will take 9y to the right hand side and I will bring 40 to the left hand side to its family member. Variable will go to variable family, right? And constant will come to constant family. So this is 10 is equal to 2y. That means y is what? Y is 5. So if y is 5, now you can just substitute the value of y in any of this equation. Okay. So 9 minus x times 5 is equal to 30. That means 9 minus x is equal to 6, and that means x is equal to 3, right? Now you know x and you know y, right? So what is xy? Xy is 3 times 5, that is 15 meter square. So area of this red rectangle is what? 15 meter square, right? So I hope you understood this. If you get it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for Maths Olympiad questions, concepts and short tricks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.